I just got this. The reason why was because I do have another mic, the one that I'm using right now. It's similar to this where it has 2 transmitters and one of them stopped working, and I thought, oh boy, I need a backup. So that's why I got this one. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to charge it and everything, give you some information on it. Like I said, it comes with 2 transmitters. To charge it, it has a little charging cable here. Plug it in right there. You'll see a solid red light. That means it's charging. And then when the light goes away, that means it's fully charged. And it takes an hour and a half to charge. I've already fully charged this one. It comes with these little clips here. Just slide it right in there, just like that. And then you can clip it on your lapel. In this part, you just plug it into the phone. So you plug it into your phone. Then to get this paired up, where's the button? It's right there. That's the on-off button right there. So you're just going to press and hold it for a second or 2, and then it'll light up. So it's flashing because this part isn't plugged into my phone yet. But it'll be a solid green light once I plug it into my phone. So now I'm just going to test this. So I'm going to disconnect everything and hook this up and see if there's a difference between the mic that I'm using and this one. I'm back. So this is the new mic. I got it right here. And it'll still work up to, I think it was 60 or 65 feet away. I can't. So I'm just going to walk away and see how it does. All right, so I'm walking away and hopefully you can still hear me. And I'm going to go in the other room here. And hopefully you can still hear me. I have no idea if you can or not, but okay, so I'm coming back. And I'll be able to play it and see if that actually worked. Yay, it worked, even walking away. I think the sound is really good. I'm really happy with this. I give it 5 stars.